This video will take you through the See Color in Slow Motion project. For this project, you will need food coloring in primary colors, 3 see-through containers, water, and your iPad camera set to slow-mo. Let's get started. First, add water to 2 of your containers. Next, add a drop or 2 of a primary color food coloring to the water in each glass. For this project, we used red and yellow. Now it is time to create a slow motion video of these 2 primary colors mixing together to make a secondary color. Open your camera app and move the dial on the right-hand side of the screen to slow-mo. Tap the red record button when you are ready to record yourself pouring the 2 glasses of water into your 3rd container. Once you have finished recording, you can preview your video in your photo library. If you would like to trim the beginning or end of your video, tap the edit button. Then drag the white arrows at the beginning or end of the clip to make changes. When you are finished making changes, tap Done and Save Video. This is our final slow motion example. We mixed red and yellow to make orange. What other secondary colors can you make?